In 2001, machines around the world stopped functioning randomly. 4 hours before the first plane hit the Twin Towers. As if they knew something terrible was about to happen. This isn't conspiracy theory. This is data from Princeton University. And what caused it was the collective human mind. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you 3 scientific experiments that prove your consciousness controls matter. And at the end, a 90-second exercise that uses this science to eliminate anxiety. Let's begin. I'm the quantum philosopher, and over the past 3 years I've studied over 200 research papers on consciousness and quantum physics. What I discovered completely changed how I view anxiety. Because anxiety isn't just brain chemistry. It's your mind creating matter against you. But if you understand how this works, you can reverse the process. I'll show you the science first. Then, the practice. Before we continue, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. This content could disappear from the algorithm at any moment. Okay, let's look at the experiments. Experiment 1. Particles that change when you look at them. Scientists took electrons, the smallest particles that exist, and shot them at a wall with 2 slits. Without observation, the electrons behaved like waves. They went through both slits at the same time, created an interference pattern. But the moment they placed a detector to observe, everything changed. The waves became particles. The pattern disappeared. They thought, it's the equipment interfering, so they did it again with automatic detection. No humans watching, nothing changed. Only when a consciousness observed, reality changed. John Wheeler, physicist from Princeton, said, "We are not observers of the universe. We are participants in bringing it into being." Think about this. If particles wait for your consciousness to decide what they are, then your mind doesn't just perceive reality. Your mind creates reality, including the reality of your anxiety. Experiment 2. Ordinary people moving matter with their minds. In 2016, Dean Radin did something radical. He placed an ultra-sensitive quantum interferometer in a shielded laboratory, protected from electromagnetic interference, protected from vibration, protected from everything physical. Then, he put people in another room. They couldn't touch the machine. They couldn't see it. They could only do one thing, focus their intention on it. The instruction was, mentally change the interference pattern, and you know what happened? The pattern changed. Not by chance, not sometimes, statistically significant. Pure consciousness influenced physical matter. But here's the crucial detail. The effect was 3x stronger in people who meditated. Trained minds affect matter more powerfully. Now think about your anxiety. If your mind is uncontrolled, chaotic, unfocused, it's creating chaotic matter in your body. Cortisol, adrenaline, muscle tension. Your untrained mind is materializing anxiety. But the reverse is also true. And that's where the exercise I'll teach you at the end comes in. Experiment 3. The day human consciousness broke machines. Princeton created a global network, not of people, of machines, random number generators scattered all over the world. Their function? To generate chaos, pure randomness. But during massive global events, the randomness stopped. September 11th, 2001, the machines started becoming ordered. And here's the scary part. 4 hours before the first plane, as if millions of minds feeling the same emotion, created a field that affects matter. It happened during global meditations, during New Year's celebrations, during funerals of public figures. The data is clear. When minds align, physical reality responds. Now imagine this. If millions of anxious people at the same time can affect machines, how many times a day is your anxiety affecting the matter around you? Your body, your energy, your cells. The good news? You can use this same science in your favor. The 90-second exercise that reprograms matter. Based on the 3 experiments we just saw. Step 1. Conscious observation, 30 seconds. Close your eyes. Observe your anxiety as if it were a quantum particle. Don't try to change it. Just observe. Remember, the act of observing already changes the quantum state. Step 2. Focused intention, 30 seconds. Now, like the participants in Dean Radin's experiment, direct intention toward your body. Repeat mentally, my consciousness organizes the matter in my body. Visualize cortisol molecules dissolving. Step 3. Field alignment, 30 seconds. Imagine that like in the global experiment. There's a field of consciousness around you. Align your mental frequency with calm. Take 3 deep breaths. Do this 3 times a day for the next 10 days. Write down what changes. Science guarantees it will change. If this video made sense, you have to watch the next one. I'll show you the exact frequency scientists measured that dissolves anxiety and how to reproduce it in 2 minutes. Subscribe, hit the bell, and comment consciousness below if you're going to test the exercise. I read every single comment. I'm the quantum philosopher. And remember, your mind isn't a passenger in this universe. It's the driver. See you next time.